Hi everyone, I'm Hydrid from Wallmek.
And I'm Andreas. Today we're excited to show you our add-on set for the 0135 bearing set. This kit was developed to meet the growing demand for newer EV and hybrid cars. Vehicles that weigh more and often have larger wheel bearings, carrying a higher load on bearings and bushes.
Exactly. It works together with our 0135 universal base bearing kit for pressed-in bearings, and it makes it possible to handle larger bearings up to 94.8 millimeters. Here's one of the key parts, the adjustable bearing receiver. It fits diameters from 68 up to 130 millimeters, and it works with our 18 and our 22 tons cylinders.
And that makes it perfect for larger SUVs, electric vehicles and even vans with pressed-in wheel bearings. You can press, pull and reinstall bearings safely and efficiently, all with the same kit.
The counterhold with adapters can be used with M18 and M20 drawbars, giving you an extra wide counterhold when you need it. The two spacey tubes are great when working with long drawbars.
The kit includes the adjustable bearing receiver, frame adapters, two spacers and a full set of bearing plates from sizes 83.5 to 94.8 millimeters.
And as always, it's made right here in Sweden. Durable, smart and ready for the toughest jobs.
So if you already use the 0135 kit, this add-on will expand your range and make your work on newer vehicles even easier.
Check it out on our website for more details and contact us if you want to know more.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.